So I just finished grinding the container. Eu acabei de terminar de fazer toda a lixação do container. And I have my friends here. We're having a beer. Yay!
Yes, I.
Yay! And they are helping me, all them. My friends helping me. Que están ayudando, mis amigos. Que estamos construyendo la habitación. ¿Cómo se llama la casa, no?
Sí, casa.
La casa. And man, it's a lot of work, but it's moving forward. Que es mucho trabajo, pero que está casi listo. Mira. Yay, man. It's a lot of work. And I was grinding on top. Eu tava lixando lá em cima. Cansado. And the visual, right? That's the most unbelievable visual ever, right? It's so beautiful, right? Seriously, this is like paradise, right?
Nice.
See? And one thing, look at the size of the footing, the cistern. It's like 10 feet by, right? 10 feet, right? The cistern, right? 10 feet is gigantic. So it will never move. Plus the posts. It's insane, man. It's insane. Insane. We have a friend in the campsite. Big lizard. Sit for me. Good girl. Good girl. Go, baby. Wow, you're too fast. Give it to me. Give it to me. Good girl. Give it to me. Sit. Sit. Sophie, sit. Good girl. Come on, baby. Bring it to me. Don't run away. Sophie, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. One more. Good girl. Good girl. Ah. Sit. Sit, Sophie. Good girl. Good girl. Rottweilers are so dangerous. Look at that baby. Achi, my girl. Achi. That's Sophie, my friend. Yay.